Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about Chainlink. There's a lot to mention when it comes to Chainlink and a lot of reasons why people are excited about the future of Chainlink. But I do want to say this is all long term. With the short term, there's so much going on that is distracting Chainlink from its current price and is going to continue to bring it lower or continue to stabilize it around the $7 to $8 or even $6 range in the next couple of months. I will say though, like I said, there are a lot of people excited about the future of Chainlink. So let's talk a little bit about that today. So the first thing we want to look at here today is the CoinDesk Twitter post. The real-world asset RWA tokenization may kickstart a new crypto narrative hype cycle, and Chainlink's Link token could be the safest bet for traders who seek to ride the trend. This is just from a report, and it actually has Chainlink ATH with the tweet below that talks a little bit about the Chainlink and how it has been collaborating with the largest financial institutions in the world on using CCIP to connect existing bank backends to blockchains, enabling interoperability between any public and private blockchain. They talk about this recent Swift collaboration as well. So this article just talks about how Swift unlocked the potential of tokenization with successful blockchain experiments, and Swift can provide single point of entry for financial institutions moving tokened assets while leveraging existing secure infrastructure, as well as experiments are part of Swift's ongoing work to maintain strong, secure interoperability across a fragmented financial ecosystem. So I'm not going to jump into too much of this because there's so much more to talk about when it comes to Chainlink before we jump into some price details and price predictions. But the next thing we want to do is go over to the Chainlink Twitter page. Here we have the Kobo Argus, or Kobo Global's institutional grade digital asset management platform, has integrated Chainlink's price feeds on Arbitrum mainnet. You can see so many different integrations and partnerships just like this one that happen every single day. I thought it was important to just point one of them out to understand, or let you understand, that there is so much that is really utilizing Chainlink out there. We also have more here with blockchain tech, and ZK proofs could be built as built-in safeguards to verify the origin, authenticity, and ownership of AI-generated files. And it's on a Cointelegraph post as well, exploring the wide-ranging impacts of ZKPs. So the next thing I want to jump into, though, is actually nothing related to Chainlink. Before we get back on the Chainlink train, I want to talk a little bit about Vega Protocol. Uncompromisingly decentralized, the world's most advanced DEX, cash-settled futures are now live, by the way, on Vega's alpha mainnet. But the big thing I want to talk about today with Vega before we get back to Chainlink is the Vega protocol is having a huge participation in the Bybit official buy vote program. If successful, a prize pool of 200,000 Vega will be shared among participants. This is huge. It's going to give a lot of people great opportunities to get involved in that prize pool of 200K. If we take a look at the results right now, this is great to see. So Vega Protocol is absolutely dominating, and so you don't want to miss out on that prize pool if they are successful in getting that position in the buy vote program. So I will have links down in the description below if you guys want to jump on board with Vega Protocol and get into this buy vote program and help earn yourself $200,000 worth of a prize pool split among those participants. Next thing, though, in line is going to be back to Chainlink. We have Quentin actually tweeting about how they will understand Chainlink when we power everything. This is actually a quote from Sergey. He's a co-founder, obviously, of Chainlink. If you don't know who this is, he's a big deal when it comes to Chainlink. Obviously, a big reason as to why it's so successful, and they will understand Chainlink when we power everything. So he is going for everything. He understands that Chainlink has the opportunity in this market to continue to build with nobody really having huge expectations on price, and that's something I love to see as well. It's all about building, becoming better without looking constantly at the price. Well, for most of us at least. Next up, we have Link had almost as much revenue in the past 30 days as Sol, Matic, and AVAX combined. Their combined market cap is $17.4 billion. Chainlink's market cap at $4 billion. So they have pictures here of exactly that. It's great to see. And one thing you can do if you are interested to see the revenue, I will show you a page here in just a second. They can actually give you all of that information on Chainlink's revenue, gas fees, etc. But here we also have Chainlink's monthly revenue at $2 million, or $2.14 million, and it puts Link into the top 10 in whole crypto scene monthly revenues. Very impressive because CCIP just launched, and CCIP is generating revenue only $30K a month at the moment, but rising vertically. So it's very good to see CCIP continuing to buff up that that price of income. I do want to say though, guys, there's a lot to look at when it comes to the economic overview of Chainlink. So you can see here, September 17th, 2023, $559,000 in revenue, and you can continue to see it's producing around 300 to 500K per month at the moment. And it's actually, sorry, not per month. It's going to be every single week, which is great to see. And that's exactly why Chainlink is doing so well. We also have the gas prices on the right side. You can see the gas costs and then the Link rewards as well. So it's great to have all this information regarding Link if you are interested. This is prism.dextrack.com. I want to go to the next thing, though. This is actually going to be the Chainlink price prediction 2023, 2024, 2025, and of course up to 2030. So if we go down a little bit, we have more on the Chainlink Link price prediction. The year being 2023, minimum price $9.55, average price $13.64, maximum price $16.68. I don't really see it honestly going to that average price of $13.64 for the rest of this year, unfortunately. But I do think we are going to continue to see some good things happen, and these could be accurate as we get later into these years. And remember, guys, this is all about long-term longevity of this coin and token. I think Chainlink has the longevity feature in with all of the utility it's continuing to build on. Chainlink's one of those that will stick around. I do really think that 5-10 years, this is one of those coins I do believe will be reliable enough to stick around. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is 2025. So 2025, minimum price $29.36, average about $35.08, and max around that $41.56. I think these maxes are actually going to be wrong and the minimums are going to be wrong, but I think the average price could be correct. I hope to see bigger jumps in bull markets because this is not even taking into account when the next bull market will be. These are just averages potentially of the next couple of years. I will say as well, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own financial research before getting involved in any cryptocurrency out there in the market. There's a lot of volatility in this market, and I'm, like I said, definitely not a financial advisor. But I do want to go to 2030 now and see that the average price at 2030, $116.52, at 2040, $256.32, and then 2050, $462.18. I think these are actually fairly low. At 2040 and 2050, I do expect higher average prices than what we see here. I don't know about 2030. That's pretty early on yet. I do think 116 is actually a pretty decent estimate of what could be at 2030. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Just want to give you guys a quick Chainlink price prediction video that kind of talks about what is so special about Chainlink. And then again, I wanted to mention the additional Vega Protocol and how you can get involved in those 200K Vega tokens prize pool for Bybit. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. And I'll see you guys all in the next one.